Hi guys, welcome back to Ellie Jess's channel. I'm Maya, and you've got to hit that massive subscribe button, give it a big thumbs up, and turn on your notifications bells so you never miss another video. And comment down below once you've done that. Hi! Okay, right, so today me and Ellie
are going to do a satisfying video.
I don't know where to stand this.
So we have some slime. Oh wait, no. There. You might not be able to see your head, but can you budge over it?
I can.
Okay, we'll start with the slime. So we first have this nice...
Yeah, just tip them out.
Oh my god. So that... Okay, we first have this foam. It's just a foam and glue, basically. We didn't make it. It's like...
But I think it needs more slime to it because it's got like so many beads.
Yeah, and also... No, that came like that.
Did it?
That's not slime.
Oh, what is this?
It's foam with glue.
Mm.
Oh my god, look, it's rocking so. We're also going to be making a slime smoothie. So, we're going to
like foam balls and everything.
This is one of my favourite slimes.
And stuff, more like that.
And it's a shimmery.
I love that one.
It's so nice. I love it. It's my favourite.
Okay, I'll show you a slime. So this is another really good slime. It's like shimmy, but it's not as dark.
Oh wait, guys, you want to hear it?
But it's
yeah.
But it's got like a ton of foam balls.
Where's the lid?
But it's really nice.
Okay, now I'm going to show this one.
That is this.
Or do you want to make a slime smoothie?
Or what else should we do with it?
Because where could we put it? We don't have a big container. We have that big container, but where's that going to go then?
We could, I know, we could make it, put it in this big container, and then put this slime in all these little containers.
Okay.
That'll work.
Okay, so we're just going to put this
In the tub for just now.
Yeah.
Okay, right, so
okay, so first
we'll just show the slimes first, and then we can do it.
Okay, this is a good slime. It's not that pretty, but it's good. Right, guys, you have to let them listen to it as well. There we go.
Okay. I'm gonna do
If my mum walks in, then...
Okay, this is another slime. It's orange. It's quite nice.
I showed that one.
Oh, sorry. Well, she's showed this one, but like, I don't care. I need to show one.
Let's add some...
Look, how
Let's
nice.
add some more shimmer into it.
You can add that at the end. Add it to the end.
Okay, got it.
Okay, I'm gonna play with it over this.
But the two pretty ones don't have to go in the smoothie, or we'll put one of the pretty ones in the smoothie.
Yeah.
And we'll see how it turns out. Okay, let's start now. So first we're going to put this one in.
Okay, right, so this is the orange crunchy one. We have more slimes, but we just there's too many to show you all. We have this orange crunchy one with beads. It's really nice. It's not that stretchy.
Maya, watch, you're getting the balls everywhere.
It's not that stretchy, but it's really good. So that's the first slime.
Now we have this slime.
The pink.
It's pink.
One of the pink
put it in
shimmer
there.
ones.
Okay, no, don't. You're not allowed to do that. Okay, Maya, don't use this. Right, use this.
Okay, right. So this is the green blue slime with foam beads. So I'm going to add this
show
in.
the clear ball one.
Okay, this is the foam stuff, and I'm going to add this in. Okay, next one.
I think for this one.
Okay.
We're keeping this one.
This is our next one. This is just clear with like really big beads, and it feels really nice.
Okay, now my turn. I'm just going to put some balls in there.
To show them what it is. So it's yellow slime. We can't show you anymore, but it's like this. That's it.
Oh, shit. That's all the slimes we're going to put in there.
There we go. That's another one. It's like clear. So,
Okay, guys. So we're going to add some little decorations. So this is what it looks like so far. Now we're going to give it a big mix. And then we'll see. Oh, look. Oh my god.
That's so cute.
I feel like it's going to turn out a bad colour.
but it'll still feel, look, and smell good, hopefully. Okay, I'll start adding this.
Into all the
Into
little
the
containers.
container.
Okay.
So there's loads of little containers for this to go, because we took
Guys,
a big
it's so
container.
pretty, look. Oh my god.
It feels so nice.
Oh my god, that keeps giving me electric shock. Okay, right, can you move over a bit?
I can't. Literally, the bed's there.
Okay, so you do that. While I start putting all these in, and then we'll show the finishing touch. This is
First pot.
Look how pretty it looks.
Oh, that's so nice.
Do you want me to add the last pretty one?
Should you?
Yeah.
Okay.
In it goes. Did you hear that?
Yeah. It wasn't us, by the way, guys. That was just lime. 2 done. And on to our third tub.
You can remember, you can use the egg as well.
Yeah, I will
Because
use
we're
it.
going to throw it the egg slime. But if there's enough containers, then don't use that egg, because the egg thing's terrible.
You would say it's wasting your good containers.
Yeah, but I'll just get another container and then
We'll clean up the floor in a bit.
yeah, we'll bring the hoover up. Okay, this slime has turned out really nice. It's turned out rainbow.
Our slime smoothie. Did you want to add more foam beads and stuff in it?
Yeah. Okay, so this is what it turned out like, guys.
Third.
It's really nice. Now we're going to add some pink foam beads. Now I just want to let it set there and then just add some beads.
Fourth. So we have 4 tubs of this. And yeah, that's all we need. It's good.
Okay, right, this is... Do you want to do
Can I add some of these?
I've already had loads of those.
Oh, okay.
Let's put some of these in. They're really nice. Yeah, so the slime's turned out amazing. And yeah.
So I'm going to start to pick up the beads off
So,
the floor.
because you can't get any.
Huh?
Unless... I give you a bit in this egg.
Okay. Wait, there's a lid.
It all breaks up, so...
Look, there's another tub.
Okay. They're my
There.
good, they're my good containers, though.
You want me to put this in one of these in the egg?
Right, I'll just put a bit in there. It's all breaking up and stuff. There.
Come on, let's pick up the foam beads off.
Now, this is her bit that she's keeping.
And a little tub.
Now, next time, bring the tub back.
Okay.
Okay, so we just need to keep mixing the slime until it's complete. So this is the finishing touch, really.
Pitching product.
Okay, right, what it's turned out like. It's turned out really nice. So
Okay, right. So do you want to start taking the stuff away? So first, we're gonna like kind of sort out the dirty bits. We've got this. There's,
look how pretty that looks.
I know. We've got loads
It
of
looks
these.
amazing.
So. Oh my god. What's in
Okay, that looks. Oh, now while you're doing that,
Squishy. Another one. Some foam beads, some foam beads, some foam beads, and they're going everywhere. Foam beads, foam
fries,
beads.
strawberry,
We've got 2
ice
tubs.
cream,
One of these.
pizza. These are all my squishies and slimes and all that. I've got quite a collection. Haven't I?
Yeah.
Oh my god, this is like rock solid.
Okay, right, let's...
I really like this, what the slime smoothie turned out at. It's a product, and yeah, it's a product. Looks nice. Watch!
I will.
Well, it doesn't look like it.
Yeah, but I can pick them up. Don't worry. Can you look? It's over here. I want slime is it? Oh, right, that's slime.
Okay, let's start putting away. Okay, all the squishies are going away now.
And everything's going away. So that was like the short video of
How long was it?
10 minutes. Well, it wasn't that short, but like, it was short. Of us making a slime smoothie.
Oh, here's one.
Just making sure I get every single ball.
There's squishies under you. You're hiding some squishies. Is that all?
Yeah.
Okay, right. Hope you guys liked the video. Remember to hit the big fat like, hit the subscribe button, and turn the post notifications on so you never miss a video. So, yeah. As you can see, you're probably wondering why my bed's in the air. It's a lift up bed, by the way. Okay.
Anyway,
it's a king size. I've got the second biggest bed, and because my brother has the smallest bed in the house, and he's 16. Seriously. Okay,
we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.